just get started. Like, because if you do not start and you keep thinking about it all over and over and over, you're gonna watch so many other people succeed and time go by and you like, wow, I could have just started it then.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Alright, so the new planner is now live, y'all. Well, it's not really new. The updated planner is now live. Use the code YouTube. I'm actually gonna put that in there now. Use the code YouTube, all caps, to get the planner 20% off. But honestly, because the price finna go up, because I put some more information in here to really help you out. It's not just a checklist, and also you get the checklist, you get an explanation of checklist of how to actually go about your process of getting those things off the checklist to make your business credible. And you also get a business tracker, you also get a calendar, and oh, I have other challenges, saving challenges. I have funding strategies, and I give you a bonus gem. Like, the bonus gem is really, like, if you don't have like the bonus gem that's in the, if you have limited resources, like, oh, I really don't have money, or I have bad credit or whatever, but you want to start a business, you can still start a business, and I tell you how. So that's the bonus that I put in there, and that's why the price went up, honestly. But for YouTube, use the code YouTube. Okay, here we are hours later. I've been locked in, been focused, been posting and editing. I did upload that I didn't stop saying new, the updated start a business planner. So that's great. I won't start filming videos for real, like sit down videos for real until like later on this week. That's on the schedule. So with your on my website, there's a 90-day social media planner. I use that really for my business, rather than like personal use. You can use it for personal and business, but I rotate it like every 90 days to like grow marketing and everything for my business, social media platforms, engagement. The thing I've noticed that I can say with using my own planner, because of course I use all my own products, I use both of them. I use the 90-day growth challenge, and I also use the startup business planner. Now with the 90-day growth challenge, it actually has oh, I can show you that. Let me show you that real quick. Let's go to it. Actually, here it is. So okay, included in your 90-day growth challenge, you get the social media tracker, a content idea list, or not an idea list, a content idea page, so you can list them out. You can write using GoodNotes for all your planners, where you're able to write on them. You can use GoodNotes for your iPad and on your iPhone and on your laptop. So, and even if you don't write, you can still type onto the planner. It's not just an actual PDF, you know. It is a PDF, but you can upload it to a platform where you can actually customize or write on it or type on it, you know. So here's like the, like for example, here would be a blank sheet for the content schedule. So what you would do is, for the content schedule, you would actually put what you would do per day. That way you would be consistent. Also, another thing you get is a social media tracker as well, and filming directions, what you're doing in your content. This is mainly I would use, I'm using for my YouTube, that I will be filming everything. But when I'm on the go for my other businesses and stuff, oh, and this is the editing day. What I use for like TikToks and all that, like I write out what my captions are gonna be. I write out, oh, and this is the best one right here, is the posting info. You get a couple of these posting info sheets, which is really good for whatever platform, and you put your title, your title, your captions, what sound you want to use, and hashtags and stuff, and you can write. What I have noticed that what has been lagging behind, why can't I talk today? Oh, I'm starving. I haven't eaten and I've been sitting here for a while. What I can say is have an app that can go ahead and post for you. So once you already have your videos and stuff that's edited and your captions and stuff that's ready to go, all you have to do is put it in the app and it's already scheduled to go out. Now Instagram does have that feature, but when you're trying to maximize your traffic by posting on different platforms, if you could just have that third-party app that will post on all your platforms, which I found a few of them, I'll do a video on those as well. I have a lot of content coming to my YouTube channel other than just vlogs and hair videos, like business for sure. Like, we still gonna be cute. I did my braids. I had a heart right here. I don't know if I used to have a heart right here when I went on vacation, and then I just took it down because my hair was getting rough, so I just redid that side. But I still will put up hair tutorials and stuff when I have time and everything. But mainly I'm kind of just, we're all about beauty and business, okay? Beauty and business, that's what we're doing over here at this channel. So for the girlies who are about beauty and business, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and go ahead and follow me on TikTok too, because I post information and stuff on there. And let's get it, let's get this journey. Like, I'm really committed to helping y'all start y'all businesses, like helping y'all get the information y'all need. Financial literacy is a really huge thing, and that's what causes the wealth gap between a lot of communities, is the amount of information they know in the process of how to get certain resources. And we always think that we don't have certain resources because we don't have a certain amount of money, which that is not true at all. But just know that your business dreams is very much attainable. Don't let money stop you. Don't let not fully understanding what idea or what route you want to go in, don't let none of that stop you. Just get started. Like, because if you do not start and you keep thinking about it all over and over and over, you're gonna watch so many other people succeed and time go by, and you're like, wow, I could have just started it then, especially if I had resources and follow podcasts and have other people around me that is doing the things that I want to do. So yes, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all soon.